Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a video. We're going to be taking and replacing 4 tire sensors on a 2010 Ford F-150 XLT. I hope the sound and everything is great on this thing, but I'll be stopping momentarily from time to time. If you see, I have a 3-ton aluminum jack. We're going to be doing this one wheel at a time. Make sure you be safe. Use the jack stands and wheel chocks, and also lock your parking brakes. Okay, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be removing the tire valve right here, and we're going to let all the air out of here. Then we're going to lubricate the inside of the surface of the rim, and I have a tool that I have, which is a slide hammer. The slide hammer will be placed along the circumference of the rim right there, between where the tire bead mounts onto the rim, and we're going to be driving it down, and we're going to get this out of the way and break it so we can actually have access to the sensor on the inside. Alright, y'all, took the tire valve out, and we're sitting here letting the air drain out of the tire, and I'll be right back. Alright, so what I did now is I took and put some dish liquid around the circumference of the rim, and I have a tool here. Give me 1 second. Let me grab this tool. So this is the tool that I have here. It's a slide hammer. See if I can show you this. And this little silver handle slides up and down, and makes contact on the inside, and adds a downward force. So we're gonna use this to break the bead on the tire, and I'm gonna start right by the sensor, the tire valve itself. So here goes. Okay, at this part of the video, I had to, reduce the volume or whatever. I just wanted to add a little snippet here. When I first started trying to use the tool to break the bead from the rim, I was having problems, so I needed a little more stability to work with. So, once you see me, stand on it, things worked out a little better. And also, I kind of changed the angle as I was driving the tool down. That way, when it hit, it would tend to go towards the center of the rim, because as you see, when I first started it, the first few times I popped it down, it kind of popped back up on top of the rim, and you can damage the rim like that. And another way that I did it is I actually put the side of my foot right next to the tool against the circumference of the rim, and that also helped out. Well, that didn't go as smooth as planned, but it went. So now I got a couple of tire irons I'm gonna use to kind of make space and remove this sensor. I actually have 3 tire irons, not 2 tire irons. I said a couple, that's just a figure of speech or whatever, but I actually use 3 tire irons. This is the very first time I ever done any tire off the rim work as long as I've been messing around with cars. Um, so it's actually 3 tire irons. Um, like I said, I'm a novice. I never really used tire irons, so that's the reason, it looked like I'm having so much trouble because, I actually was. And, but anything I learned from this is once you get a tire iron to go in and you can actually pull one side up, you got to kind of go close to the other one to try to pull it up. And you have to go in small increments. And whenever you get the third one in and kind of fold it over, the one that you want to, take and pull out in order to go to the next furthest spot around on the rim to use leverage to, get the bead up over the rim. You want to use the middle tire iron. So take the middle tire iron and always go to your next spot. All right, y'all. I got my valve in. Now it's time to torque it. The package for this particular tire valve right here, made in Taiwan. The equivalent of 4 newton meters in inch pounds is like 35.4 inch pounds. So I just set it at 36 since there's a little small error anyway. And I torque this nut. It's a 11 millimeter, the same as 7/16. All right, y'all. Hopefully this is the last time I'm making an interruption, but uh, the reason I'm stopping here, well, not stopping, but the reason I've adding a little bit right here is that before I dismounted this tire, and that's something that I didn't show you all earlier in the video, I had a Sharpie, and I made two small black marks, one on the tire and one on the rim in an inconspicuous place, so that I could make sure, since I didn't bother my wheel weights, so that I can make sure that I seated the tire back in the same orientation that it came off. You got to be careful not to go on the tire too close to the rim, because you're going to put the detergent there, to kind of use as a lubricant. So you want to go just a little, hair away from where you got the detergent. And, or you can use whiteout or a sticker or whatever else, whatever you come up with. Just make sure you mark it so that you can put it back in the same orientation. All right, I'm gonna take the sound out on this part of the video and speed it up a little. Basically, I'm just letting the compressor build up pressure, and we're gonna hurry up through this part. Nothing special. All right, y'all. Now I got the tire mounted, and what I'm gonna do is this is right here is a self-locking air chuck. I'm gonna put the self-locking air chuck on there, and at the same time, I'm gonna try to lift up on this side of the tire to make sure it's sealed, and hopefully it'll pop in place. I've never done this before, but hey, here we go. All right, let's see if I can. This right here is the tire sensor. See if I can show you how this thing mounts on. This is the tire valve cap, and the way it goes in is you take this nut off, which is the 11 millimeter or 7/16, pull this washer off. Then from the inside of the rim, you put this black side right here facing the inside of the rim. You put it through here. This little rubber washer right here contacts the inside of the face. Make sure you clean off the inside of the face so that you can have a good clean connection. And then on the outside, you take this washer, place it on, then you take this nut, place it on, and you torque this down to 4 Newton meters or 35.4 inch-pounds, or just do 35 to 36 inch-pounds. All right, folks, we're back. We're going to be programming the tire sensors that I just installed, and we're going to be using this tool right here. Got this some months ago. I never had a chance to use it because I thought I was going to need it, but today I actually get to use it for the first time officially. It's Super EL 50448. If I figure out how to leave the link below, you know, I'm a novice at all this stuff, but I'll leave the link below. So let's get the vehicle in, it's a 2010 F-150 XLT. Let's get it in program mode. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna press the brake, then we're gonna turn the ignition on 3 times, leave it on, hit the brake, turn it off, wait, then turn it on 3 more times, and then we should hear a beep, and it should say on the dashboard right there, it should say start training the tires, and hopefully I'll pick all this up for you. All right, here we go. Hit the brake. 1, 2, 3. Hit the brake. Let off. Turn it off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you heard it beep. Train left front tire. Okay, so let's get out here. Use the tool. And I already got it set up on forward. So we're just gonna hold it by the tire thing, and we're gonna hit the button there. Come on. Okay, it's still saying train left front tire. Maybe this thing ain't strong enough. Okay, there we go. Took that time. Let's go to the right front. Okay. Gotta kind of hold it close here. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, the last of the Mohicans. I hope I didn't offend nobody by saying that. It's just a little slogan. Boom. With crap, called a cramp here. And now it says training complete. Turn off the ignition, and I didn't hear any beeps or nothing from the horn, so I'm taking it that's successful. Thank you.